Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going on the tractor ride and I'm waiting for the tractor to go. Oh, it's going! Yeah!
Jacob, look! Jacob!
Sorry guys. Hey, I'm going guys! And my little brother's in it too. Look at him. I showed him my little brother as well.
No.
There.
Oh, look, we're going through the mud.
Oh, we're going for a walk, guys.
Turn the camera around so they can see how. That's it. You can show them, man. You can show them the farm.
Hey, donkeys.
Jaden, sit down back.
We're going for a puddle. Here we go.
Yeah. Go on, stand up.
Puddle.
See the mud.
Muddy, muddy.
Look there, guys. Pigs. What are those? Are those pigs?
Jackson.
Are those pigs? Mommy, are those
I think they're brown and white sheep, I think.
Oh,
Funny colour sheep, aren't they?
I don't think they are sheep. That was a bump.
That's a bouncy park, isn't it?
This is fun. This is fun. That walking up.
Jackson falling asleep.
I know, I think he's enjoying it.
And this is so cool, guys.
So cool, is it?
Yeah, very cool. You want to move you? This is so cool.
Okay, you're going to have to sit down, Bet. Because you're supposed to sit down. Don't think you're allowed, Bet.
It's not like a fall or anything.
You might drop your phone out there, though.
Look, I'm sitting down with my phone.
Fuck, there's a table here. Can I put my phone on it?
No, don't be so silly, man.
Why would you be going that fast then?
Because our tractors only go this speed.
Dragging the loads around. Look how far we've just got now. Might try to carry load of heavy stuff on this far.
Come on, keep doing some bumps.
Why don't you
No, some all around.
Oh, you want to show them the whole thing, yeah? Ah.
Wait, now we tune in. This farm is big.
The mud.
Full mud.
Look at the mud we just come through. See it? Turn your camera down here, look. See the mud?
Yeah.
That's the mud we just come through.
Is that how I done it?
People, but
This is the only speedy ones. And peace.